Are you seeking to elevate your career prospects in the dynamic field of project management? Look no further than ZABIST, where we offer exceptional programs designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge to excel in this rapidly evolving industry. At ZABIST, we understand that project management is at the core of successful businesses and organizations. Our MPM and MSPM programs are specifically tailored to meet the needs of aspiring project management professionals like you. So, why should you join ZABIST? Rigorous curriculum, from project planning and risk management to leadership and stakeholder engagement, our courses provide you with the essential skills to succeed. Experienced faculty. At ZABIST, we take pride in our accomplished faculty who bring a wealth of industry experience to the classroom. Industry-relevant approach. Our programs incorporate the latest industry trends and best practices, keeping you ahead of the curve. Practical learning. You'll have opportunities to engage in hands-on projects, allowing you to translate theoretical knowledge into real-world scenarios. Professional development. Our programs not only focus on project management skills, but also foster your overall professional growth. Flexibility. Our programs offer flexible schedules including evening and weekend options, allowing you to pursue your master's degree while managing your other commitments effectively.